CMT's Enlock jig. It's fast, it's simple, and it creates rock-solid joinery for your woodworking projects. Enlock joinery is invisible from the show face of your work. Now let's get started. At the heart of the Enlock jig is a pattern-style dovetail bit. The bearing on the bit rides in and out of the dovetail socket guide in the Enlock table, making it very easy for you to cut perfect dovetail sockets every time. The dovetail socket is dimensioned to receive the dovetail keys. The dovetail keys are made up of two components, a cap with wedge-like prongs and a base. When the prongs are pressed into the base, it forces the base to expand, securing it within the dovetail socket. Two sizes of dovetail keys are available, calling for two sizes of dovetail cutters. You may locate material on the Enlock a variety of ways, by using the center line of the Enlock table, or by using the Enlock stop system. The stops provide accurate, repeatable, and easy right and left alignment of your work. You can center material on the Enlock jig by simply using the left and right rulers built into the face. The rulers also provide a means by which to set the stops. The dimension on the ruler indicates the precise distance from the center of the dovetail socket. Mitered material is guided into position on the Enlock using the 45-degree fence and stop system included with the jig. Dovetail sockets can be cut into the edge of boards by securing the material with the clamp extension arm included with the Enlock. The first step in using the jig is setting the depth of cut of the router bit, followed by locating the table on the Enlock. This is done by measuring from the face of your workpiece. Then secure the table. Cut a dovetail socket by simply allowing the bearing on the router bit to follow the dovetail guide socket. Then cut a dovetail socket in the mating piece. Assemble your project by bringing the two parts together and inserting a dovetail base, followed by a cap. As the cap is tapped in, the prongs expand the base, rigidly locking it into the dovetail socket. There is no easier way to do joinery. In addition to T, corner, and mitre joints, the Enlock jig provides clamp-free edge-to-edge joinery. Do this by cutting dovetail sockets in both parts of the mating joint. Apply glue and bring the joint together, then insert the dovetail base. Tapping the caps in draws the joint tightly closed. No clamps required, and you can begin working with this piece right away. Watch just how quickly and easily you can add Enlock reinforcement to a mitre joint. The Enlock dovetail keys reinforce the joint and also provide perfect indexing across the outside corner of the mitre. Assemble by inserting the dovetail base, followed by the dovetail cap. An excellent method for producing beautiful beaded cabinet doors with lifelong mitered corners. The Enlock kit includes the Enlock jig, a solid carbide dovetail cutter, a starter bag of dovetail keys, the fence extension clamp, all included in a carrying case. The Enlock jig, fast, simple, rock-solid joinery.